If you want to remove the OneDrive shortcut from File Explorer, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. This is useful if you no longer want OneDrive showing up in the left sidebar and you want a cleaner File Explorer layout. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key and E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer opens, look at the left sidebar where you normally see folders and shortcuts like This PC, Downloads, and OneDrive. Now find OneDrive in that sidebar and right-click it. After you right-click, look for the option that says Unpin from Quick Access. If you see that option, click it. This will remove the OneDrive shortcut from the Quick Access area and clean up your File Explorer sidebar. In many cases, that is all you need to do. Once it is unpinned, OneDrive should no longer appear in that quick access list and your File Explorer will look less crowded. If the option does not appear right away, make sure you are right-clicking the OneDrive shortcut in the sidebar and not the OneDrive folder in another location. That distinction matters because the sidebar shortcut is what gets removed from view. After that, just close File Explorer and reopen it to confirm the change. You should now see a cleaner layout without the OneDrive shortcut sitting in the left panel. If you still want to use OneDrive later, don't worry, this does not delete your files or uninstall OneDrive. It only removes the shortcut from the File Explorer sidebar. That means you can always access OneDrive again through Search, the Start menu, or by opening the app normally. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.